the headlines, SERT kicks off teachers training program under Samagra Shiksha. Manipur team to leave for Bangladesh to exchange joy with Meitei diaspora. And Union Minister Ramdas Atwale to arrive in Imphal tomorrow. A very good afternoon. You're watching the news today at 1 p.m. I'm Loving. Now the news and details. State Council of Educational Research and Training, SERT, Government of Manipur has kicked off Nishtha under Samagra Shiksha, an integrated teacher training for KRPs and SRPs Manipur today at the Institute of Cooperative Management ICM, Lamfelpat, Imphal. Taking part in the opening day of the training, Director of Education S and SPD Samagra Shiksha, Th. Kiran Kumar, said the training program is first of its kind in India, which will benefit the teachers. He said that despite conducting many training programs for the teachers in the past, communication gaps had emerged. Through this training, the gaps will be able to bridge to some extent, he added. A total of 120 selected teachers for the training in return will give training to the teachers of elementary teachers in the state. Kiran Kumar said that under this program, 14 lakh teachers across the country will get benefit till December 2019.
Training to wagi my cascading model haidana NCRT natraga Nipana training taunaba akhoi centers in lay. Hariba centers in jida akhoi SCRT ki natraga diet ki oza sing zalani. Haribo oza sina mu akhoi ki siragi oza group khara mu khallani. Khallibo oza sina mu mathang tarakpa matamda training tawkanda phase mari manga sum lakwa sida. Khwaidagi makhada akhoi ki training tawbiriba oza singina ngasai mathaka lairiba pandam duga makhada training tojiga ohoba mayam laiba aduna ngasai Nishtha sigi makhadadi akhoi NCRT sina direct akhoi ki training se pira matungda haribo oza sina tawrabanina marakta ahobadu gap to ama khatang khangnina ngasai gi magi theme du phangnana ba adugum silakpa training ni hujing asi chathariba akhoi ki training program si khangatlaba moi chamaga kunni serida khoi hayeng anaye yauraga diana kitang henjanabri happy aduna hariba group sina Manipur da lairiba class 8 faugi takadurbu oza myam se amukta da most likely in the month of December January swagi thada akhoi paktakna na torakani.
President of Manipur Arun Thongam announced that a team of Manipur will leave for Bangladesh on November 10 carrying the message of EEGI Khongul Langdai Wari. He announced this during a press meet held at Ima Kunthoknganbi Changlen located inside DM University campus, Imphal today. Arun Thongam said during the trip, programs of cultural exchange, tree plantation, get-together and a friendly football match will be held to strengthen the relationship with the Meitei diaspora in Bangladesh. Arun added that a cultural event will also be held during the Buddha Purnima on November 12 in Bangladesh. More than 70 members of Manipur will participate in the trip.
Cultural program yauri, tree plantation yauri, aduga interaction ki program yauri, aduga maruina football match susanagadaba leiba sigumba aduma khongchatni yamna maruiba khongchat amani masina ekhoi gi marakta Bangladesh lai bichil nau singa ekhoi Manipur da lai bichil nau singi marakta ekhoi gi Manipur gi chanaba culture gi oiba sigumba myam si ekhoi sakhang minakanda ekhoi tanaminarakanda ekhoi gi relation ama ekhoi thain dagi leijar relation adu saganabagi pandam dane ekhoi chachagadurba khongchat asi.
Minister of State for Social Justice and Empowerment, Ramdas Atwale, will arrive in Imphal tomorrow. Ramdas, who is also the National President of Republican Party of India, A, will open an office of Manipur State Committee of Republican Party of India, A, at Kaishampat Churachandpur Parking. Addressing the media at Kaishampat Churachandpur Parking, Chief Convener of the party, Mahesh Thaunojam, said a meeting will also be held at the office with Ramdas during the visit. During his stay in Imphal, the Union Minister will also look into activities carried out under social justice in Manipur, Mahesh informed.
Manipur dasu hayeng officially state office lairagani plus Republican Party of India gi mayam mioi kya lairaga kanna right to equality baba Ambedkar na haibiramba Republican Party of India gi founder na haibiramba amaga chapma na haibi right to equality the focus tawraga mayam changsin winabagi process laizaragani haitai.
President of RPIA Assam Unit Hitesh Diori was also present during the press meet.
He'll talk with the public. He'll attend every he will discuss about all the disabled persons problem, about NGOs, about our party programs, everything. So he will be landing tomorrow around 2 o'clock. After that, we are going to have our office inauguration program. Then after that, we will go for our public meeting, Republican Party of India meeting. Then after that, he'll have his lunch and he'll go for disabled some area to see those NGOs. And after that, he'll have his press also tomorrow. So we are going to have a great time tomorrow. And also, I would like to tell all those media friends here that our newly a committee is been organized. Our committee is formed in northeastern level, that is to unite all the 80 states of Republican Party of India.
School students in Shillong will take out a march on September 27 as part of the campaign against climate change. The march will be taken out to mount pressure on the state government not to ignore voices raised by a bunch of students on climate change. It will be led by a group of school-going students of Shillong under the banner of Fridays for Future. Fridays for Future is a movement started by Swedish schoolgirl Greta Thunberg in Sweden. Thunberg, at the age of 15, began protesting about the need for immediate action to combat climate change outside the Swedish parliament and has since become an outspoken climate activist. A team of Imphal West Commando arrested an active cadre of the band outfit UNLF from Brahmapur, Bhagyapati Lekai under Imphal East last afternoon. According to a report, the arrested cadre was identified as 35-year-old Warepam Chandra Kumar, alias Tamlen Khomba, son of late W. Chandra Singh of Brahmapur, Bhagyapati Lekai. The operation was conducted following a reliable source from 15 Assam Rifles, the report said. Upon interrogating, Chandra Kumar disclosed that he joined the UNLF in 2009 and got his basic military training in eastern Nagaland. He was later handed over to Porompat police station for further course of legal action. Now let's take a short break, but coming up, NSS Cell Manipur celebrates Golden Jubilee today at Kuman Lampak, Imphal.
Khongthang khuding siksinningai gi siksinningai ngaktani mafam matam khudimakta aina cheksinduna talakli adubu mahausayi khongchatnina khudung thiningai atumak oi Manipur da ahan boina iramdam masida sajaba ningol khudo adubu ngasidi akhoi chingnaningai oidre Aikogidamak Bright Enterprises ki Ningo Kudol.
Coil Green, India's #1 genset brand by Kirloskar Efficiency Integrated, is now in Imphal. Generator range 2.4 kVA to 1010 kVS DG set. Automobile engineering works at New Chakon Road, Imphal East, MI Store Building, 1st floor. Contact us at 9862 56601 or 0385 2452011. Authorized dealer, Kirloskar Gensets.
Welcome back after the break. The State National Service Scheme NSS Cell Manipur celebrated its Golden Jubilee today at Kuman Lampak, Imphal. Youth Affairs and Sports Minister Letpao Haukip, YAS Commissioner Bobby Wycombe, and other dignitaries attended the function. Meanwhile, Imphal East Commando arrested 2 active workers of the proscribed group KCP and RFM during counter-insurgency operation at Pangai Bazaar in the afternoon of September 20 last, a police report said. The arrested were identified as 46-year-old Wangkai Mayum Sanjoy Meitei of Pungdongbam, Makhalekai, and Chingakam Subash, aged 26 years of Andro Leitan Pokpi. This was informed in a press release from Superintendent of Police NAB W. Basu. A case has been registered at Bishnupur Police Station in this regard, the press release added. Lok Sabha MP Dr. R.K. Ranjan said that the centre has no plan to shift the National Sports University NSU to other states. Speaking to media at Kautruk Community Hall, Dr. R.K. Ranjan further said that construction work for the university is underway amidst the land dispute and other uncertainties. He sought support from the people towards ensuring early establishment of the university. MP Dr. Ranjan also informed that the centre has been requested to hold recruitment for the university at the temporary campus in Imphal. He also urged the people to take benefits of the income generated from the university for the state besides huge employment opportunity.
Sports University Imphal se sports city amo hendani sida tolok sabat thabak natabata pungdang sida leiba prasa khudimokta suham nompham Prime Minister Modi na hujik pami se facility for thabak surulabagi khudong sabat bi basina tolok sabat nate adu ni kaidorani hotel da phamaso kathil da koti yolaso ai kaidanga haida yong da sabat bi da yolaso tongan makalgi Punggol City Potok Sinado, asai sports city dulu akan ekoi kudi mak suno mak punggol na wih tanjama bangani.
Mau temporary market was open at Kakching Bazaar from early this morning. Kakching residents thronged the market to buy Mau products. Poirei Kumhei Kumho Khorjai Lup Kumbi was launched today during a function at Kumbi Ibudo Isingchaiba Harauthel Kumbi of Bishnupur district. In this regard, a book written by Yaima Singh titled Phamung Phamangda was also released at the event, which also witnessed a poem recitation. Kumbi MLA Sanasam Bira Singh, National Teachers Awardee, Moirangthem Mangi Singh, retired Associate Professor of DM College, Dr. Thokcham Iboyaima, Social Worker Luang Bobby James Wahengbam were also the main guests of today's event. The indefinite National Highway 2 Band, called by Makhan People's Organization, has been suspended till 5th of October, according to reports. The band was suspended after assurance from Chief Minister N. Biren to nab all culprits involved in September 17 arson attack at Makhan village, wherein at least 18 houses belonging to Makhan village were torched by unidentified miscreants over a land dispute. Another short break. Stay tuned for more updates.
Offer. Be a lifetime subscriber of Lamjingba Times daily newspaper at ₹10,000 only. For more details, please come and visit our Lamjingba Times office at Uripok Laikurembi Laikai, Imphal West, or contact us at 8837353352 or 9402991938. Maitei Singi Puwari ga sagon aduna laklaba mafam ama oiriba Sagolban Thangapat ta leiriba the Thangapat Restaurant and Departmental Store ngaihak awaba pothafam ama oibata natana restaurant manungda yaujariba inbuilt departmental store da adomgi household items singsu phangbiragani. Veg amadi non-veg ki menu item singna adom gi taste bud pu satisfy oihaliba menu item sing enjoy tobiyo. Amadi Thangapat ki view enjoy tobiyo. Langston Biraksi, the Thangapat Restaurant and Departmental Store.
Welcome back. Assam Chief Minister Sarbananda Sonowal escaped unhurt after a chopper carrying this Chief Minister turned 3 times in mid-air. The Chief Minister was en route to Lilawati from Borjar to attend a function. As per reports, the pilot of the Chief Minister's Pawan Hans helicopter was blindsided for a moment due to overcast skies, which led to the mishap. The incident reportedly occurred at Bandodua in Assam. The Chief Minister has reportedly been evacuated from the chopper, and latest visuals show the Chief Minister getting down from the chopper after it made a landing. As a responsible corporate citizen, uplift of the socio-economic life of the people in and around its operational areas has been a focus area of ONGC. In Assam too, where it had started its journey in 1960, ONGC has been continuously standing by the people of Assam and contributing a lot in terms of employment generation, promotion of education, skill development, strengthening health infrastructure and other infrastructure development. Childline Rowing, a 24-hour phone emergency outreach service for children in need of care and protection, was inaugurated by Lower Dibang Valley Deputy Commissioner Mitali Namchum at Mayu L in Rowing yesterday. The second in the state, Childline Rowing is a project of the Union Ministry of Women and Child Development linking in the state government, NGOs, allied system and the corporate sector. Prime Minister Narendra Modi on Monday gave a clarion call for the global people's movement to bring about a behavioral change to deal with climate change, as he made a path-breaking pledge to more than double India's non-fossil fuel target to 400 gigawatts. In his Independence Day speech, Modi had announced that India will produce 175 gigawatts of non-fossil fuel as part of its commitment to the Paris Climate Agreement. Monday's announcement during Modi's speech at the Global Climate Summit goes well beyond the pledge of 175 gigawatts. We must accept that if we have to overcome a serious challenge like climate change, then what we are doing at the moment is just not enough, Modi told world leaders at the summit organized by UN Secretary General Antonio Guterres. Nagaland kicked off their Santosh Trophy 2019-20 Northeast qualifying round on an impressive note by securing a goalless draw against Manipur team at Umankanta Mini Stadium, Agartala on Monday. The young Nagaland squad put their heart out on the pitch as they managed to secure a point against the neighboring state team Manipur. Despite Sanyem, Konyak and Zumzum hitting the woodwork, Nagaland team could not find breakthrough. Manipur also had their chances to score on 2 different occasions but couldn't find the net. Both teams had to share a point each at the end of the match. Meanwhile, Meghalaya got a walkover after Railway team failed to turn up for the tournament. Now let's go through some of the local daily newspaper headlines.
The Sangay Express proposed indefinite highway ban deferred till October 5th. Disputed land belongs to Makhan, claims Makhan Union. Ongoing process of updating electoral roll. Chief Minister vows action against defaulters. Fegokta lines up series of agitations. The People's Chronicle. JCILPS ask EVP officials to delete non-local voters. Fegokta stir over 7th pay begins today. 3 rebel MLAs meet governor. Dr. Lorho calls for promoting harmonious coexistence. Imphal Free Press. Disgruntled government college teachers to intensify stir. Prioritize human service before profit. Birain urges medicals. Directorate of Transport to crack down on illegal LPG auto rickshaws. Highway ban averted as government swings into action following threat. The morning bell. Random enrollment of non-local voters causing political imbalance in state, says Chief Minister. Chief Minister JCILPS appealed BLOs for fair and proper updated of electoral rules. Golden Jubilee of Manipur State Museum observed. Manipuri culture, a fusion of different philosophies, says Minister Jayantakumar. E-Thabak, Manipur's largest online job searching Android app, launched. Transport Department to penalize unauthorized LPG-driven auto rickshaws operating in city. MP Dr. Lorho launches SAGY at Daily Village. Manipur Mail. Chief Minister urges people to avail benefits of health schemes. Manipuri culture, a fusion, says Jayantakumar. 6 died due to panic over NRC. Will never allow it in Bengal, says Mamata.
Before we wind up the headlines once again. SCERT kicks off teachers training program under Samagra Shiksha. Moneywood team to leave for Bangladesh to exchange joy with Meitei diaspora. And Union Minister Ramdas Atwale to arrive in Imphal tomorrow. That's all for the news today at 1 p.m. Thank you for watching.